Good morning, everyone. Today, I am going to talk about the history of one of the most loved fruits in the world, the mango. The mango is often called the king of fruits. It is famous for its sweet taste, rich aroma, and bright color. But the mango is not just delicious. It also has a long and fascinating history that goes back thousands of years. The mango originated in South Asia, mainly in India, Myanmar, and Bangladesh more than 4,000 years ago. Ancient records show that mango trees were grown in India as early as 2000 BCE. Over time, people began to cultivate mangoes and develop different varieties. Today, India is still the largest producer of mangoes in the world. Mangoes have a very special place in Indian culture and history. In ancient India, mangoes were considered a symbol of love, prosperity, and fertility. Mango leaves were, and still are, used in religious ceremonies and festivals. Many ancient poems and stories mention mangoes as a fruit of beauty and joy. One of the most famous historical figures connected to mangoes is Emperor Ashoka, who ruled India in the 3rd century BCE. It is believed that he ordered mango trees to be planted along roads so that travelers could enjoy their shade and fruit. Later, during the Mughal Empire, mango cultivation reached new heights. The Mughal emperors loved mangoes so much that Emperor Akbar reportedly planted a mango orchard with over 100,000 trees. From South Asia, mangoes slowly traveled to other parts of the world. Persian traders and travelers helped spread mangoes to the Middle East and East Africa. In the 15th and 16th centuries, Portuguese traders played an important role in taking mangoes to new regions. They introduced mangoes to Africa, Brazil, and other parts of South America. In fact, the English word mango comes from the Portuguese word manga. By the 18th century, mangoes had reached the Caribbean and Central America, and later they were introduced to Florida in the United States. Although mangoes grow best in tropical climates, modern farming techniques have helped grow them in many warm regions around the world. Today, there are more than 1,000 varieties of mangoes, each with its own taste, shape, and color. Some popular varieties include Alfonso, Chaunsa, Langra Sindri, and Tommy Atkins. Mangoes are eaten fresh and also used to make juices, desserts, pickles, and sauces. In addition to being tasty, mangoes are also very nutritious. They are rich in vitamins A and C, fiber, and antioxidants, which makes them good for health. Because of this, mangoes are loved not only for their flavor but also for their health benefits. In conclusion, the mango is much more than just a fruit. It is a symbol of history, culture, and tradition. From ancient civilizations to modern times, the mango has traveled across continents and won hearts everywhere. Even today, it continues to be one of the most popular and cherished fruits in the world. Thank you.